All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our Unreal Engine project. Let's have a look at what we went over today. Yesterday, if you recall, last thing we had to do, or not yesterday, but the last thing we did in our project was add our torches along the corridors on this side here. We finished everything on this side, left and right, and we have finished everything on this side, left and right. Only thing we have to do left is the middle section of the maze, and we did start that process today. Let's have a look at what we actually started. We're gonna go get a perspective. This is the top, so we're gonna go to get a ground perspective and see what we have done so far. Now I don't know exactly why it was such a task doing it today, but actually getting the sconce laid and the flame laid on top of it took a long time. I'm not sure why, but it's not as simple as just putting a cone on a wall and putting fire on it. You have to put the cone down, you have to move the cone, you have to rotate it, and you have to put the flame on it. It all took like a couple hours to get done, but I eventually got it done. And I am kind of frustrated and tired from actually getting this one down, but the first one is always the hardest, so the hard part is out the way. So from here, we probably can just duplicate and then move the rest along the wall, and we probably move it up a little bit higher also. But that's where we're at. We're starting our middle maze. We're going to start doing the interior of the maze, laying the sconces and the torches along the interior corridor of the maze. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, it's the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.